I remember my mom telling me something before I went to prison. She said, son, if you don't listen to me, you're going to be forced to listen to someone. And I'd be damned if it wasn't some months, maybe a year after she said that. Couldn't have been that long. I'm facing a life sentence, literally. That's what the charges, could have gave me. You know how they say 24 to the life. Just carry 24 to the life. I'm like, what the fuck? Here I am, 15, about to turn 16, facing all this time. And all I could remember is what my mama told me. You wouldn't listen to me. Now you're forced to listen to somebody. And I ended up doing a decade. I ended up getting a 14-year sentence and doing 10 years on it. So listen to what I have to say, so that way you won't be forced to listen to someone else.